I've got this image here, and I just wanted to explain one or two things that we can then sort of play around with gradient map. So what we've got here is, if we're going to click on that, comes up like this, and that's because I've gone through and I've selected my two colors. So I've selected a red and I've selected a gold. I'm going to image and adjustments in that gradient map there. And so we've got that there, and we can click on that, and we can adjust the strength of those as well. It's not limited to just two colors. We can bring in, for example, we might bring in a white to create that effect. We could also then bring in a black. Or what we could even do, we can take the black. We can play around with these different sort of things here too. So that's an interesting way that where you might want to be communicating an idea or a mood or an aesthetic within the image, within color. The other thing I wanted to talk about is solarization. And there's a setting here for solarization, I'll show you in a second, but you can also do this in gradient editor as well. And effectively what I wanted to do is you pull the white to the middle, and then at the other end you create a black. And you can sort of play around with that. You might weaken that, and the different sort of effects where effectively what happens is the lightest tone is the mid-tone, and then the light, what would conventionally be the highlight, you're then darkening that to be then stronger than that mid-tone. So it can create an interesting sort of effect to the point where it looks like things are glowing. Maybe the best example of that might be if we look at our sort of figure over here, and we can sort of see that glow effect that is occurring. That's something that you can sort of play around with. So those are the last two things. After you've sort of successfully been able to go through and do all of these sort of activities, I'd like you to then practice and see where it's relevant with your photos, and then does this connect anyway with the theme that you're trying to approach with your photo essay. Have fun with it. It's learning a new skill. Just try it out. You might want your photos just to be still and not manipulated, and that's absolutely fine for the task, but this is just giving people more of an option. That's it.